Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Now, the podcast where we help you learn how to speak English naturally, confidently, and just like a native. Today's episode is all about real English for real life, what they don't teach you in school. If you've been studying English in classrooms, reading textbooks, or memorizing grammar rules, this episode is for you. We're going to break down how real people speak English in everyday situations, from street talk to small talk, idioms, slang, and cultural expressions you won't find in textbooks.
Exactly. We know so many English learners feel frustrated. You pass tests, you write essays, but when someone says something like, "Want to hang out?" or "I'm beat," you freeze. That's totally normal. Textbooks just don't prepare you for the way English is actually spoken in real life. But don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we're going to go over real-life phrases, natural expressions, and pronunciation hacks that will help you sound and understand native English speakers with confidence.
Part 1. What makes real English different? First, let's talk about what we mean by real English. In school, you learn things like, "Hello, how are you?" "I would like to go to the store." "May I please use the restroom?" And while those are grammatically correct, no native speaker talks like that all the time.
Yeah, most people say, "Hey, what's up? I want to hit the store. Can I use the bathroom?" The difference is formality, speed, contractions, and idiomatic expressions. Native speakers use lots of shortcuts, and a lot of the language is based on culture, rhythm, and tone.
That's right. So, let's break it down into categories. Part 2. Common everyday phrases.
Let's go through some phrases you'll hear all the time. First up, wanna. This is short for want to. Textbook, "I want to go to the movies." Real English, "I want to go to the movies." Gotta, short for got to. Textbook, "I have got to leave now." Real English, "I gotta go." Lemme, short for let me. Textbook, "Let me help you." Real English, "Let me help you." Dunno, short for don't know. Textbook, "I do not know." Real English, "I don't know."
Great examples. Here are a few more that make you sound more natural. 5. Hang out, to spend time with someone casually. Example, "Do you want to hang out later?" "No worries." Used to say, "It's okay," or "Not a big deal." X. "Sorry I'm late." "No worries." "You bet." Another way to say, "You're welcome." X. "Thanks for your help." You bet. Part 3. Everyday idioms.
English idioms can be confusing, but they're everywhere. Here are a few that you need to know. 1. Break a leg. Good luck, used before a performance. X. You have an interview? Break a leg. 2. Under the weather. Feeling sick. X. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. 3. Hit the sack. Go to bed. X. I'm so tired. Time to hit the sack. 4. Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. X. Come on, spill the beans. What happened? 5. Piece of cake. Something easy. X. That test was a piece of cake.
Idioms add flavor to your speech. They show that you really understand the language, but it takes time, so don't rush it. Listen to how people use these in TV shows, movies, and in podcasts like this.
Part 4. Slang and informal talk. Let's talk slang, the fun part of language learning. Here are some words people use in informal situations. 1. Cool. Nice. Great. Okay. X. That new phone is really cool. 2. Chill. Relax or hang out. X. Let's just chill this weekend. 3. Dude. A casual word for a guy. X. Dude, did you see that movie? 4. No way. Used to show surprise or disbelief. X. You won the lottery? No way. 5. Bummer. Something bad or disappointing. X. That's a bummer. I hope things get better.
Important tip here. Don't overuse slang. Use it naturally and only in informal settings. You don't want to say dude in a job interview. Part 5. Pronunciation tricks.
Native speakers connect words. We don't always pronounce every word clearly. Here are a few examples. 1. What are you doing becomes what you doing. 2. That you eat becomes did you eat. 3. I don't know becomes don't know.
These reductions and connections happen naturally when people speak fast. Practice by repeating after native speakers or using tongue twisters to train your mouth.
Part 6. Real-life scenarios. Let's go through a few everyday scenarios. These are great for practicing real-life English. Scenario 1. At a coffee shop. Barista, hey there, what can I get for you? You, hi, I'll take a medium latte, please. Barista, for here or to go? You, to go, thanks. Barista, you got it. That'll be $4.75. Scenario 2. Making plans with a friend. You, hey, what's up? Friend, not much. Want to hang out later? You, yeah, sounds good. What time? Friend, around 7? You, cool. See you then.
Practice these types of conversations out loud helps you sound more natural and builds confidence. Part 7. Cultural tips for speaking naturally.
Remember, language and culture go hand in hand. In American culture, conversations are usually casual. People use humor, small talk, and personal stories. Being too formal can feel stiff.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Most native speakers appreciate when someone is trying. Keep watching shows, listening to podcasts, and speaking as much as you can. Language is not just about perfection, it's about connection. Wrap up and practice tips. All right, to wrap up today's episode, here are your takeaways. Don't speak like a textbook. Speak like a real person. Use contractions and reductions like gonna, wanna, and lemme. Practice common idioms and slang. Listen, repeat, and shadow native speakers. Try to have real conversations with native or fluent speakers.
And remember, the goal is to communicate clearly and naturally, not perfectly. With time, practice, and a little guidance, you will sound like a native. Thanks for joining us on Speak Now. Make sure to subscribe, and if you liked this episode, share it with a friend or leave a review. Until next time, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep learning. See you in the next episode.